Are you wondering what the cost of replacing your floor would be? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about some variables, what could be some possible delays, or what some cost ranges would be. My name is Sam West, and I'm here working with Floors and Kitchens today, and I'm going to be able to go over this process with you. When replacing your floor, you want to make sure you do what's best for you and your situation. There's lots of variables to consider, like which materials to use, location, size of the space, and installation. Now that we've covered the variables, let's talk about the many different materials you have at your fingertips. The first material is vinyl and has a general price range from about $2 to $7 per square foot. The second material is carpet, which will have a price range of about $1.50 to $5 per square foot. Tile on average costs around about $6 per square foot. And the last material is wood, which has an average price of about $4 to $8 per square foot. While installing your new floor, there could be some potential delays like mold, asbestos, or rot. All of these could add time as well as costs to the project. We've made some great progress, but there's some other really important things to consider. Are there going to be children or children in the future? How about pets? Is there going to be heavy furniture that's going to be moved around on the floor? Do you entertain guests often? Is this a high traffic area? These are all very, very important things to consider when you're selecting your new floor. I know that there's a lot to take in, but we're here to help. Please also keep in mind that these are very rough prices. If you need more information on replacing your floor, please click the link below and read our article on this very topic. It can be a huge undertaking to replace your floor, but we want to make sure that you are aware that we are here to help, and we want to make sure that you are successful and happy with your new floor.
Floors and Kitchens Today. Your home, your way.